To enable or disable the gesture screenshot on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we should be able to scroll down, and then we want to proceed to Special Features. Here in Special Features, go to Gestures, and then we have the Screenshot Gesture option. Here we can toggle 3-finger swipe, which allows you to just use 3 fingers and swipe down from the top in order to quickly capture a screenshot. There we go. So if you just swipe down from the top, then you immediately take a full screenshot. And you can also press and hold with 3 fingers in order to do a partial screenshot. So first we press and hold with 3 fingers and then we swipe down. There we go, just like that. So then we capture a partial screenshot. You can grab by the corners in order to adjust the cropped area. And you can of course extend it all the way up if you want to. We can also use the drawing tool. So here in the bottom right corner we can change the color. Here we have our tool, the drawing tool. We can adjust the thickness of it. And we can of course save our screenshot once it is adjusted and once it looks exactly as you want it to look like. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.